A man was beaten up by a mob in the presence of police for stealing cows in Chakulia, South Dinajpur district this morning. People suspected him when he could not give a proper answer to how he got the cow and stopped him. Later, they started thrashing him. The police rushed to the spot and rescued the man. It was found out later that the accused had a history of stealing cows and his name was already in the police records. The owner of the stolen cow was also identified by the police. With Unlock 1.0, malls, places of worship, and restaurants have started functioning with strict social distancing norms and sanitization. The shop owners of the City Centre Mall in Siliguri have pleaded with the mall authorities to waive rental and camp charges as the mall has been shut for business for the past 80 days. They also requested a reduction in rent till March 2021 as they felt that business would be bleak till that period. The hilly Indo-Bangla border in South Dinajpur district was shut for import and export of goods between India and Bangladesh since the lockdown was imposed and has been shut for 80 days. Today, the business of export and import between the two countries started functioning once again. A man was trampled to death by a wild elephant in Madarihat, Alipurduar district. The wildlife squad has been trying to drive the animal into the forest throughout the day. The COVID-19 pandemic worldwide has now 71,09,040 confirmed cases, 4,06,461 deaths and patients recovered, 34,68,412. India has crossed the 2.5 lakh mark with 2,56,611 corona positive cases and 7,207 deaths. 1,24,095 patients have been discharged so far. The highest ever spike with 9,983 fresh cases and 206 deaths in the last 24 hours. India has overtaken Spain and is the fifth in the list of the worst hit countries now. Bengal has now 8,187 positive cases and 396 deaths with 3,303 recoveries as per the data from the Ministry of Health. With the opening up of inter-district transport and the railways, the number of corona positive cases are on the rise in Siliguri and Darjeeling district. Till yesterday, the number of cases in Darjeeling district was 95, Cooch Behar 173, Kalimpong 25, Alipurduar 24, Jalpaiguri 79, North Dinajpur 210, South Dinajpur 45 and Malda 247.